What's up, members? This video is for you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Let's review the YouTube portfolio. We dropped from about 80,000 down to 76,000 now. Year to date, negative 8%. Portfolio is taking some hits, but we are buying these dips, getting ready for that move back up forward. Looking at the overall top and bottom movers, you can see here Starbucks is down, Home Depot, Baba, Tesla, Nike, and Google. I've been buying more Google shares. In this video, I want to break down a few stocks that I'm going to be buying over the next few weeks. And I just want you guys to be aware and just to show you thanks for supporting the channel. I want you to see my moves. They're not financial advice. Always do your own research, but I think you should see what I'm looking at to buy. Let's take a quick look at the positions right now. Nike is down almost 15%. From my cost basis, $74 down to $63. Google, I have a cost base of $168. It's down $154, so we're down 8%. It's becoming a very large position in my portfolio at 9.24%. I'm going to continue adding to them. I think this is too good of a buying opportunity to pass up. So I will be buying more at the $150 range. We'll go over the chart in just a second. Home Depot, I'm going to accumulate more shares as well. Tesla, I'm just going to continue sitting on this position. I was comfortable adding at the 220 spot. I don't want to add unless it's lower than that. And then FSPGX, we will continue our $750 every single Monday. We will continue to buy into this. Now, I was up over 20% on this. It's amazing how fast it has dropped. I'm only up 5% now on FSPGX. And Starbucks and Baba, we're going to just sit tight and let it sit for a second. Starbucks, I got to see $90 or lower to start adding. And Baba, I want to see under 115. But let's go over some of the stocks that I'm interested in adding to the portfolio. All right, so looking at the first stock is Microsoft. I am looking at them to add. What I'm waiting for is I want to see a further plunge down. On the 1 month channel, you can see that we had this bear flag form, which confirmed this sell-off pressure. Now, what I'm waiting for is I want to see 377 break, and I want to see, going now on the 1 year chart, I want to see it pull back to about $360 per share, which is where I'm going to start accumulating a position in Microsoft. Now, let's say I wanted to do $1,000, just for example. I'm going to do like 10 to 20% of the total allocation into around $360, so I have alerts set around there. Now, if it starts dipping lower to around $350, I will start loading more into it. I do believe we had this sell-off. Now we have the bear flag, and now we're selling off. Let's see what it does here at the 377 range. I just want to show you Google real quick. When you look at Google, the reason I keep adding more is because in the 1 year chart, I am seeing support around $147 per share. We had touches here, another touch here. It broke out of this long-term trend, and I'm looking to add more shares at $150 per share. I'm already at 9.24% allocation YouTube portfolio, so I need to be careful. I don't want to go over 10%, but in this situation with this massive sell-off, Google selling off all the way from 206 down, it's over like a 15% pullback, so that's what I'm looking for. Microsoft is the first stock that I will most likely be adding more to if it can come down. Google as well, we will continue. And then the last stock that I'm looking at is Amazon. Amazon, I want to see if we can get a retest down to about $182 per share. That is where I would like to start accumulating some Amazon. When you look at them just on the trend of $242 down to $190, they're down 20% on the year. If they were to go to my purchase price where I want them, 242 down to about 182 would be a 25% pullback. To me, that's a very large pullback. That's what I'm waiting for to add. All right, members, that video is dedicated just for you. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, Trading Simplified. Definitely be sure to check out the members only videos. I'm going to post this video right in here where it's YouTube portfolio only, just for you guys, what I'm trying to trade. Always remember though, that this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional day trader or investor. You have to do your own research. It's educational purposes only. So please do your own diligence before you start buying stocks. And definitely check out the new content that's been coming out. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Thank you so much.